This is a brand new NEWMAR New Aire 3545. I absolutely love the colors. Take a look. It's built on a Freightliner frame chassis. See the cockpit? There's a GPS setup for the co-pilot to keep track of things. Looks very nice. It's got one of the televators where the television comes up out of the console over on this side. There's 3 total slides, 2 smaller sides on the driver's side and 1 full-size slide on the passenger side. You got a sound bar up above where the television comes up. A nice sofa with ottomans. A lot of cabinet space, pantry space. Come around and look and see where the sink is set down into the countertop, solid countertops. Nice round sink that's inside. There's an induction cooktop. You have a convection oven up above. There's the bathroom.
Dishwasher.
What's that?
Probably a dishwasher.
And right here in the bathroom there's an emergency exit. You can open up and get out through. You see what we got going on in here. A nice shower with a seat inside of it. Come back through a residential refrigerator with freezer on the bottom. The refrigerator will lock. And the freezer on the bottom. Very nice. In the bedroom, you've got cabinets all the way around. Drawers down in the down on the bottom. A couple layers of drawers. You have closets in the back. Oh, look at that. Closets in the back. Quite a bit of room in there. Have washer and dryer. Full king-size bed in the back. With a barn door that closes to separate the bedroom from the rest of the living space.